Hi, good morning, plant lover from all over the world. I am Gigi Plant from Indonesia. Today we are going to see our collection that is Colocasia Hi-lo Beauty. I don't know how to pronounce it. Hi-lo or Hi-lo or Hi-lo perhaps. I don't know, but this one is, I think, beautiful Colocasia because of the pattern is green and with the pattern white patterned. That is so beautiful. It looks like caladium, but it is not. It is Colocasia. We plant it in the water, in a bucket full of water like this, with no media, just water. And we can see the little shoot have come up to a new baby of this Colocasia. We counted one, one, two, three, four, five. We have five new shoots that have come up and will grow into adult Colocasia. Will be mature in a moment for a couple months. This is the easy ways to make this kind of Colocasia growing new shoots faster by only putting in water without any media. Just put it on water and let it grow the roots, growing many roots, and after that it will produce new shoots, a lot of baby. We can see it, more than five, I think. We will have new plant of this with the same pattern as the mother, same pattern. Okay, and this is my collection of Colocasia that I can show you, and I also show you how to make it produce new shoot faster by only drowning in the water and also give the enough nutrient, then it will grow new shoots faster and you will have a lot of Colocasia after that. Thank you very much for watching. I am Gigi Plan from Indonesia. See you next time.